What's up everybody? Jeremiah of Jeremiah Atkins Photography, and today I'm going to be doing a simple one light portrait setup. I'll be using my model here. Wait a minute. Damn budget cuts. Where's my model? Where's my actual model? Angel, are you ready?
I'm coming.
Alright, that was a pretty cool intro.
Thanks.
Wish I had a cool intro.
You do have one.
That's right, I do. Where did I put my cool intro? Here it is. Alright, for this shoot I'm going to be working with Angel while she's getting ready. I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about the setup that I have. My light source is going to be the Godox AD600 Pro. I have it on 1/64th power. Don't really need it too high on power because we are working in the studio and you don't really need it set too high. I'm going to have my ISO set at 100. What we're going to be doing is kind of have an Angel in a set position on the stool, and I'll move the light source around to achieve the type of look that we're going for as far as being too close or being too far away. I'm also using the Glow Rapid Box 36-inch beauty dish. It's a great beauty dish. I highly recommend it. Let's talk a little bit about the aperture I'm going to be shooting at. I'm shooting at f5.6 to get a lot of her facial features in focus. Not really worried about blurring out the background because there's not really anything distracting back there. For my camera lens combo, my setup for today's shoot is using the Nikon Z7 mirrorless camera. I just really love it. And my go-to lens is going to be the Sigma 85mm 1.4 art lens. Just tack sharp images, never had any kind of softness or any kind of distortion. Something you'll kind of notice about the position of the light source, I've got it almost at a 45-degree angle off the left side of the model and kind of up and away from her. What that does is that'll give you a nice even soft light that kind of falls off, you know, almost kind of like a little bit of split lighting, to where one side of the model is evenly and nicely lit and then the other side kind of falls off into this nice dark shadow. Something to note is color accuracy during your shoots. As you see Angel helping me with the color checker passport there. It's very important, regardless of what type of shoot or setup that you're doing, that you have accuracy of color in all your images. Cut that one. Okay, so now talk a little bit about some posing tips. Obviously, you don't want the model just sitting on the stool looking straight ahead, all stiff and not enjoying themselves. You know, you want some movement, some body turning, some different angles. Try some different angles. This lighting is really complimentary of good emotion, real emotion, as opposed to just sitting there like a robot. You know, it's gonna show in the final images. So it's really beautiful lighting technique. Take advantage of it. Have a good time. Make sure the model's having a good time. Interact with each other so you get some good movement and some different angles going on to really take advantage of this lighting setup. It's a really good setup. You'll get some really beautiful images from this specific lighting setup. Something I forgot to mention earlier, I don't know if you can see there, I've got the beauty dish is double diffused. I have both diffusion panels on there, and that's just a personal preference. You don't have to use 2 levels of diffusion. You can just use the one and then just adjust accordingly to your liking. Got Pedro coming in to get a selfie with Angel. It's always fun getting selfies. He posts that on his Instagram account. I'll have to get him an Instagram account. Alright, so we'll wrap up a couple more shots and I'll post some of the final images here at the end of the video and you can let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks again for tuning in.